Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have a new product from Nestle Corporation. Shazam! Nescafe Gold Chocolate and Caramelised Hazelnut Latte. I haven't had any coffee today, so I cannot wait to taste this new instant coffee made by Nestle. Let's go ahead and prepare it. Here is the packaging, and it looks pretty cool, just like all the other Nescafe products. It's nice and shiny, it has nice design over here. And what is this? Nutri-Score D. That's not really good. I think this Nutri-Score is like, I have seen this in some of the products in Europe. It's some kind of new thing they put in the products, like, yeah, here it says International Expert Committee. So this one is D, not really good. The nutrient values. Yep, lots of sugar. It's like half sugar, 51.7 per 100. So that's not really good, but I don't mind. The preparation guide, the most important thing is that it's 85 degrees, not 100. Nothing else, I guess. Let's go ahead and get inside the box. Here's the sachets. Nice. So it comes with 8 in total. 8 coffees. Really good. Let me get a cup and bring some boiling water. Let's pour this in. Ooh, it's more brown than the other Nescafes. The smell is really sweet. It's just like smelling a chocolate. So I think this will be like really like sugary coffee. Let's see. Time to put the water. I think that's good amount. Let's not put too much, otherwise it's gonna taste bad. Stir it for 20 seconds. It's making this nice foam on the top. I like that, and see, it's like making waves again. Looks really cool. Anyway, let's go ahead and taste it up. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Does the Nescafe Gold Chocolate Caramelised Hazelnut Latte taste any good? Let's find out. The smell, it's different from the other Nescafe instant coffees. It's much more sugary, like much more sweet. And also there's a lot of chocolate over there. And also a little bit hazelnut as well. I didn't like the hazelnut latte, that just hazelnut latte, but maybe this one is different because this one is chocolate and caramelized hazelnut latte. So let's hope so. Here we go. Let's taste it. Really interesting. It has like 2 different flavors. When you first taste it, you like taste the other flavor, and the aftertaste is hazelnut. The initial flavor is like really chocolatey, and after that it's like hazelnut. It's definitely better than just the hazelnut latte that I drank before and I didn't like it, because this chocolate is really bringing it up for some reason. Like, it is really sweet, to be honest. Also, I like coffees with like little to none sugar, like just latte, milk and coffee, nothing else. But this one has a lot of sugar. Like, you could compare this to like Starbucks coffees. They have a lot of sugar as well, but I like it. It's somehow like reminding me also like cocoa. It's like a mix between cocoa and coffee. Really weird. And aftertaste is hazelnut. Like, yeah, really unique flavor. No wonder it's special edition. Like, I don't think this is coming as a long-term product. I think this is like seasonal. Because I don't think I would buy this like second time. This is like only for special occasions. If you wanna try new flavors. Like, I prefer to buy just the Nescafe latte or the iced latte. Those one are like that I always drink. But this one is, I don't think this one will get to be like the product that I use all the time. Like it's funny for once, unique taste, but it's not like a, yeah. But overall, it's a really unique coffee experience. Like, I would say it's like, I would say it's 8 out of 10. Yeah, that's my rating, 8 out of 10. It's missing something. I think it's too sweet, and the hazelnut aftertaste, I'm not really a big fan of it still. The initial flavor with chocolate, like, I cannot taste any coffee here at all. It's too sugary. But yeah, overall unique. If you like chocolate coffee, try it. If you like hazelnut, you should try it. But yeah, it's not really for me. But still, 8 out of 10 because it's really unique and really nice flavors combining together. Like, Nescafe proves once again that they're the king of instant coffees. Yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to comment below if you have drank this coffee and did you like it or not. Also, hit the subscribe button so you never miss the videos, and like the video. Thank you for watching.